and welcome back to HealthyDaze. My name is Melissa and I create videos helping people out along their weight loss journey. This is part of my Slow Cooker Sunday series where every Sunday I like to upload a new weight loss, healthy, high protein, slow cooker recipe for you to whip up and then meal prep out for the rest of the week. This is a great way that we can start to be intentional about the ingredients that we're putting into our bodies. We all know here at HealthyDaze, we do not overcomplicate weight loss, but we are very intentional about the ingredients that we're putting into our bodies. So if that sounds good to you, this week we are making a slow cooker chicken and quinoa. This is going to get us 40 grams of protein. So stick around. We'll pull the ingredients out. We'll throw it all together in the slow cooker, and then you can be set for your Sunday and set for meal prep for the rest of the week. If you're looking for any other healthy weight loss tips, be sure to subscribe to my channel. I have so many videos on weight loss smoothies, weight loss salads, and I just share different strategies that have worked for me for the past 5 years. Now that I'm in my 40s, I am telling you, weight loss has been needed to be more strategic than ever, but I'm having such a blast with it. I'm starting to incorporate resistance training and weightlifting and all of those things, but really when it comes down to it, 90% of it, in my opinion, takes place in the kitchen. So we have to be very intentional about meal planning and meal prep, like you'll hear me say week after week. So let's get started and throw this together.
All right, so if you've checked out any of my other videos, you know that I always encourage you to go ahead and screenshot this page or even pause the video so that you can jot it down quickly. It's so important that you have it to reference so that you can go to the store and pick up these exact ingredients that are going to get you the weight loss results you're looking for. Let's go make it together.
All right, so once you've gathered up all your ingredients, this is what your table will look like. This one comes together so quickly, and let's get started. So I like to start with the chicken breast. I typically do 3 large chicken breasts. This time I decided to try out the thin sliced ones. So we'll see what we think of those. But typically, if you've checked out my other videos, you know that I start with 3 large chicken breasts, and then I'm able to cut all those up, and it turns out to be about 6 meals for me, which I kind of like. But these were on special, and I think I'll still get the same amount of meals out of them, even though they're sliced thin. And I just want to see what it does as far as being more tender or anything like that goes. So start by adding the chicken breast down into the slow cooker. And once you have the chicken breast down in the slow cooker, I like to add the garlic powder, and you can just generously shake it on there. In my opinion, you can't have too much garlic powder. And then you're going to add your cumin. Again, this is great for gut health, and we always want to be adding in more spices into our meal plan. Adding them into your slow cooker recipes is such a great way to get started. Eventually, you might work your way up, and you'll even be adding them into salads or into smoothies, or even just having with hot lemon water. And the ground ginger. Again, I love ground ginger. So great for gut health. Going to do wonders for your weight loss journey, and just start getting yourself familiar with it. Next, you're going to go ahead and add in the reduced sodium chicken broth. And this recipe calls for 2 cups of that. So pour that right over. And then we're going to add in 1 cup of the uncooked quinoa. And that cooks up so nice alongside the chicken. Quinoa is such a great source of protein. You can see there that you're getting 6 grams for a 1/4 cup. So over the course of eating this for the next couple days, you're going to get a great source of protein from the quinoa. Pour that in. And then we're going to add our black beans. I love slow cooker recipes because you can make up a big batch and then you can eat off of it for the next few days. And it kind of takes some of the stress or worrying about what you're going to meal prep or what you're going to meal plan out for the week. Takes that stress off the table. And finally, I like to do the baby Bella mushrooms in with this recipe. Mushrooms are so great for you. In the slow cooker too, if you aren't able to eat them fresh yet, which is a great way to eat them just raw, but cooked or sauteed or in the slow cooker is another great option to start getting mushrooms into your weekly meal plan. And some people dice them up. I don't. I just go ahead and I throw them all right in there. I know some people like to pull off the stems. There's no harm in eating the stem. So go ahead and just throw them in there. So that is it for this one, you guys. Look how easy this is. There is no reason why we aren't taking care of putting together these slow cooker recipes. I'm going to put the lid on, let this cook up for 6-7 hours, and then we will see how it turned out. But I just really hope that this motivates you and inspires you to start making these slow cooker recipes and start being intentional to prioritize your weight loss. And all of my slow cooker recipes are such a great way to do that. So let's check back on this in about 7 hours. All right, so it's been about 7 hours. We're going to go ahead and take the lid off. And you can see the quinoa's all cooked up. The mushrooms are looking great. The chicken is going to be nice and tender. So we'll go ahead and we'll get this plated up so that you can see what a serving looks like. And then I'll go ahead and I'll meal prep out 5 other servings for the rest of the week. So there it is. You can see I've got a chicken laid down first, and then I piled on the quinoa, the black beans, and the mushroom. We have all our spices in there that are so great for the weight loss and the gut health. I'm going to go ahead and enjoy this one now. You saw how easy that was to put together. All of these high protein chicken slow cooker recipes are going to really accelerate your weight loss journey. They're going to help put you in that mindset to meal prep for the week. You can see we have all of this left over that I need to meal prep out. And I am telling you guys, just start being consistent. Just start looking into my library of videos, my different playlists, and you are going to get the weight loss results that you're looking for. I'll see you next week.
So there you have it, guys. Another delicious, high-protein, slow-cooker recipe for you to start adding into your weekly meal plan. I so hope you enjoy this recipe. Let me know in the comment section down below what you thought of it. And please, if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel if you're looking for more healthy weight loss tips. And if you know of anybody else looking to lose weight but isn't sure where to start, isn't sure what foods to be putting into their body, please share my channel with them. I'll see you next week.